Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, Uthando Nestembu. Yo, guys, the scene between Abongwe and Umusamseleko really got to me, right? Like, I found myself emotional, teary. Hey, at some point, I think a tear came out because, wow, like, I honestly believe that Umusam Seleko deserves a break and everything else shall follow. Like, I don't know. I just believe this poor guy deserves a break. But there was always a narrative based on how Usne no Babake interact, right? That said, Umusa Mseleku does not care about the girl children. The only person that Umusa cares about Umpumelelo. And I think it's because at the time that was said, Umpumelelo was the one being shown a lot together no Lwandle no Sibindi. Now that we're seeing all the other children interact with their father, we get to see ukuthi kahle kahle it's not how we viewed it or how we deemed it. The reason why I'm saying that is that he was able to sit with a girl child, be vulnerable, and like cry in the process, telling her ukuthi kahle kahle, this is where I am, this is where I stand. Like, it was so beautiful to see Umusa not only opening up to Usibindi noLwandle, but also opening up to Abong. Do you get? And it also shows, we see these people have an intimate relationship, one that is deeper than what we had thought, and one that we wanted for Usine no Babwak. But also, like I said in my previous video, parents experience children differently and children experience parents differently based on how they act and based on on their behavior. Mawukhuzwa kakhulu vele uzothola ubabakho awulo muntu ohlala khuza. Mawubehave kahle, yes uzothola ubaba uzo experience ubabakho as umuntu who's always giving praises and right. In this instance, Usne uhlala most of the time uphume endleleni and does things that ubaba wakhe is like, no, but here you're disgracing our name, please stop. Abong, on the other hand, is making sure ukuthi this is my father's vision. Yes, I'm a girl, but this is my father's vision. This is my father's vision, excuse me. And this is what I am going to do to make sure ukuthi ilegacy kababwam imile. While the other one is going on podcast taking out family secrets, the other one is going on podcast trying to present ubabake and show us a good side kababake. But on the table, guys, when they were talking, I know, Umusa is sick, guys. And I feel Uguti at this point, he's not even crying because he's weak. He's not even crying because he's vulnerable. He's crying because it's been a lot. And as a man, he's carried a lot. And finally, he's speaking to somebody, Oti, I want you to live. I want you to live. And I want you to live for me. Azang I say nale Abong atai. No, he made it personal, he made it specific. I want you to live, I want you to live for me. I want you to live, I want you to make sure ukuthi yonke into right for me. When I graduate, I want you to be there. And he further said, and also the young ones coming after me. But I loved how he personalized the whole thing. Yokuthi philela mina. Guys, I if I was Umseleku, I was also going to cry because at some point Umseleku felt ukuthi ke khomo ya moshate o kila bona wa hapa molato wa lesa molato, whatever he does, a direct translation ukuthi whether he does something it seems like he's wrong, he's right, like there's no winning for him. And I think ukuthi because there was no winning for him for such a long time, that's why we are at this point and his health deteriorated. And Abongo said something, I've never seen you sickly at this point. I've never seen you this sick. That is why I'm in tears. That's why I'm crying. I've never seen you uzukala. Like this is my dad that I have not experienced, that I've not seen. And I think ukuthi them being vulnerable to each other and opening ifuba to each other on how they both separately mean to each other is what also made Umusa Mseleku emotional. Yo guys, like I realized ukuthi no, I care about Mseleku at this point. I realized ukuthi I love Abongwe more than I thought ukuthi I loved Abongwe, because this child is wise. And he said he was giving his father, she was giving her dad advice. Like, you know how we always think ukuthi the boy child is the only one that matters in this family, but seeing this moment showed ukuthi all Mseleku's children matter. It's a pity he could not say on TV ukuthi you are my favorite child, because wow, number one, umntana kaMacele nje kuyoba yenye chaos kuyo yonke lento le. Ingabuya next year kuma-diary session achopha umntwana abantu. At this point kumele asho nje ukuthi ngithanda nonke ngokulingana. Yes, ubathanda bonke ngokulingana, but ubathanda differently. Also, what Abongwe said yokuthi we need to pray for you, we need to pray for your health. And I think ukuthi Abongwe did not realize ukuthi they are not only praying for him and his health, but they are praying for the standing of the family. And guys, Umusa uyawathanda makhosikazi wakhe. We might think ukuthi hey, he loves himself, what. And Futhi did this statement, but we'll discuss it some other time. Ukuthi men love themselves. Duh. All right. But he loves his wife so much that even in this painful situation, even in this conflict, even in him being uncomfortable, he's saying, whether I'm sick or I'm not sick, the party needs to happen. He's not saying the party needs to happen so that people can come and celebrate. Yo guys, I'm so emotional, guys. The wives must just give this poor man a break. He's saying we must celebrate, and I must thank these women. I must thank them publicly, because if I don't do that, they will think I'm taking them for granted, and under no circumstances do I want them to think that. I must thank them during Pagat Kwabantu, where people will see ukuthi these women matter so much to me. Like, at this point, I would not be thinking about anything and anyone. It will be my kids and myself, and that's it. But the way he loves his wives, he's telling Abongwe ukuthi Abongwe, in everything also, I need to also prioritize labantu labang babonge. Hi, but I love Abongwe even more after today's episode. I love how objective he is, and he did not say ukuthi this one was wrong, but he's saying, I think reiterating everything that we're saying on socials. Ukuthi this guy needs a break. We understand ukuthi situation ekhaya injani, but the wives just need to give him a break, allow him to breathe, and then they can take their guns and start being armed and start fighting again. But at this point, let Mseleku heal. But today I love and awe and respect Abongwe even better than I did. It was an emotional one. This is your girl Disable D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.